Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about anatomical planes. We'll start our topic with introduction. Anatomical planes are imaginary flat surfaces that divide the body to describe locations, movements, and direction with precision in medical, anatomical, and physiological context. Now we will talk about importance of anatomical planes. Anatomical planes are used to provide standardized reference for body orientation and movement. They help in medical imaging, physical assessment and surgical procedure. Now let's talk about main anatomical planes. Main anatomical planes are sagittal plane, coronal plane and transverse plane. So the first plane we will talk about is sagittal plane. We will start with the definition. Sagittal plane is a vertical plane that divides the body into left and right half. So the plane that divides the body into left and right half is sagittal plane. It has two types. The first is median plane or mid-sagittal plane that divide the body into equal left and right half. And the other type is parasagittal plane that divides the body into unequal left and right halves. Now let's talk about the examples of sagittal plane. Examples are movements like forward and backward bending of bodies is under the sagittal plane movements. Now let's talk about the next main anatomical plane, that is coronal plane, and we will do the definition first. That coronal plane is a vertical plane that divides the body into anterior and posterior part or into the front or back part. So that plane that divides the body into anterior and posterior part is coronal plane. The movements examples are that kind of movement that involves side to side motion like jumping jacks and lateral raises. Now let's talk about the next important plane, anatomical plane, that is transverse plane. It can be defined as a horizontal plane that divides the body into superior and inferior half or upper or lower parts. So its example movement examples are rotational movements such as twisting the torso or performing a spinal twist is under the transverse plane movements. So now let's talk about the applications of transverse planes or anatomical planes, all anatomical planes basically. So the first application is medical imaging that is used in CT scan, MRI and X-rays to analyze body structures from different perspectives. The other thing we can do is kinesiology and sports science. They are important. These planes are important because they help in understanding body movements and developing exercise regimens. The other important implication of them is surgical procedure, as they explain guide surgeons in precise incisions and organ evaluation. Now, the endpoint understanding anatomical planes is crucial for profession in medicine, sports, and physiotherapy, as they provide a systemic approach to studying the human body. And mastery of these planes aids in diagnosis, treatment, and effective communication among healthcare providers. So, it was about the anatomical planes. Hopefully, you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.